All right, here we go. We have another fresh arrival at Victory Honda Plymouth. This is one that we don't get too many of. I wish we got more, but people keep these. They drive them forever. They become, college kids' first cars. They become, when you hit 16, becomes the first car. Lots of life left in this one. This is a 2013 Honda Civic EXL Navi. So it's got navigation from the factory. It's a 2013 with 112,000 miles. It's a two-owner vehicle. There's lots of service records. We know all the history of this vehicle. We only keep the top ones when we get them in on trade. We make sure we keep the right cars. That way, when you come pick up your new vehicle, you know you're getting a quality pre-owned vehicle from Victory Honda Plymouth. We have a guarantee or a warranty that comes with every vehicle that we sell. We have 6 oil changes and 6 tire rotations. That's our 2-year maintenance. That comes free with the purchase. You have the ability to upgrade that to a 3-year or a 5-year program with brakes. Feel free to ask us about that. We can explain it. This car is going through the shop today. We're going to double check everything. Front to back, side to side, 182-point inspection. We check out the brakes, the fluids, the filters, the tires. Make sure everything's up to spec. That way, when you get the car, all you got to do is put gas in it, drive it, and, wash it. So check it out today, Victory Honda Plymouth. Leather interior, power locks, power windows, cruise control. Let me show you the navigation there. There's your Navi screen, 112,080 miles on it. Right now, the air conditioning's on. It's blowing cold. This thing even has heated seats. Show you the interior. Show you it's got a moonroof. Lots of cool stuff. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. This one is not going to last long. For a value price pre-owned vehicle with just over 100,000 miles, that's a Honda. Everybody's looking for this one. Check it out today.